Welcome back to our virtual showcase, Miss Nancy. Welcome. Thank you for participating again, as you did already your first showcase. Now it's your second one with us. So which dance will you be dancing for us tonight?
Today I'm going to do a medley of rumba and PASO.
Ooh, so it's going to be some drama today, right?
Within 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Ooh. So since we've talked to you last time, you've actually been really busy.
Yes.
You've done 2 competitions, and one of them was really quite large. It was Emerald Ball this year, which was in Dallas. So please tell us, what was the most fun part about participating at a competition?
Fun part, actually, I was thinking the most nervous part, but turned out to be most fun part, just be in the field with all those friends and supporting people there on the 2 tables, supporting
Cheering
me.
for you.
Yeah, I was performing for them.
Yeah,
that's really
we
fun.
had a really big group of supporters, so we were loud, weren't we?
Yes, it's not like a performer for the judge, I perform for my friends.
That's true, that's true. And what was the most difficult part? What was challenging?
The challenging is, of course, I made a few mistakes, and my technique, I wasn't comfortable with it, some of it. So I have to fake it. I have to really feel like I know what I'm doing. The actually is very difficult.
It's
not
tough.
easy.
I
Yes.
know, and you have to keep moving, keep dancing to music, right?
Yeah.
There's no stopping. So what do you think will be next for you? What would you like to achieve next in your dancing?
The next, I really want to get back to basics, and I really work on with 3 wonderful teachers, master teachers here, coach in the studio, and just to push myself a little bit farther, see how far I can go.
That's awesome. Well, we're wishing you super good luck for tonight, okay? Please enjoy yourself.
Yes.
And also luck for the future competitions as well.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Veronica.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet, to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal you, but undone much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California, dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and the mirror.